Hi everyone. Today will be your first GIS class, and before that I would like you to prepare for the software. So there are three different ways to use the software. One is you come to the campus and you can use it in the lab, in the library. I think on the third floor of the library there are some computers installed with GIS, ArcGIS. Or you can come to our department. There are computers installed with the software in DIN 102. If you work from home, you need to install the virtual machine in order to access to your computer at Tech. I will give you more details and instruction of installing virtual machine from Blackboard. So before we do that, I assume that you have already access to your account at Tech. So we go to Computer, and here's the U drive, which is a shared drive that you can access from different computers. And before that, I will create a folder called GIS. So this folder is specifically used for our class. Under GIS folder, I create a folder called Practice 1. This is what we will do for today. And I just want to be more organized. So you have Practice 1, Practice 2, Assignment 1, Assignment 2, and your class project, all included in the same folder. Now the folder is empty, but we want to add something, add the files into this folder later. So where can we find those files? We go to Blackboard. I assume everyone knows how to go to Blackboard, and I already logged in here. If you are not logged in, you need to enter your password. And here we go to our course. Make sure you finish the federal attendance module before you further participate in this class. And we can find our data under labs. And here is the instruction for setting up your virtual machine if you are working from home. And here is the data for Practice 1. We need to include all those two data into our folder. I'm sorry. The first data is Practice 1 data.zip. It is a data for our lab. The second, Practice 1 doc data. This is the introduction. So this is a manuscript or manuals you can read while you are doing your lab. We'll just use the first data. Just click on it. I think it's downloading right here. Once it's finished downloading, this is actually a zipped file, so you cannot open it directly. What I will do is I will just click on it. As you can see, these are all the files we will be using for our lab. And we just ignore it. Okay, what I will do is I select all of them at the same time. Right click, just ignore the message, and copy. Then you go to your Practice 1 file you just created. You paste all the files into this Practice 1 file, Practice 1 folder, sorry. Okay, that's the preparation we need to do before we start our first practice.